But first tonight we have some breaking news. We go live to our special correspondent in Preston. Oh my God! Hannah, pull out. You sound like me.
I'm very sorry. Back to the studio! How did you get that far? What happened? You're fine. Are you okay?
What was recording?
Go. That actually look quite good if you stand further back. I'll do it again.
He's got it all over me.
Come on, guys. I haven't got all day here.
Okay, what's that?
This face. It's beautiful. Callum.
Okay, no. Oh yeah, I'm going, boy, at the end. Ready? Honey! Oh my gosh! I look at peeing myself!
This is the girl responsible for this. Pee?
What? There's such a camera.
Yeah. Yeah. Failed.
I'm so well. Ready? Right.
It worked apart from you can see Hannah. You need to get your arm right behind her arm so you can't see it at all.
Exactly.
Like perfectly. You can no, you can see it on the other side, you can't even see the water! I can hear it!
Hard work, how are you? So, did you watch the news? No. By the way, video was the best. Yeah, really bad. I mean, you've been framed. Yeah. What sort of a threat is that? Not cool. No. We're so over, by the way. Oh, yeah.
Karen! Dang it.
Help! Oh, help! I will save you! That's good in bloopers!
Oh, come on, he's not that bad looking.
Yeah. Help! Oh, help! I will
Not that dang rock again.
No, seriously. Dang it! Can we get someone else to do this job, please? Seriously, no. I stood on a thorn. Right, any thorn? Did you film it?
Been the sweetest of my life. My heart filled with laughter.